Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ChatGPT memory settings after an update, full guide step by step clearly. To restore ChatGPT memory settings after an update, start by launching the ChatGPT application on your device. Once the application is open, navigate to the settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon or labeled as settings. Within the settings menu, look for the memory section. Click on it to access the memory settings for your ChatGPT. If you notice that the memory settings have been altered or reset, proceed to the data management options. Here, you may find an option to restore previous memory settings or configurations. Select the option that allows you to view your memory history. Identify the version of your memory you wish to restore. Once you have made your selection, confirm your choice to proceed with the restoration. The application may prompt you to verify your decision or provide additional information. Follow any additional prompts to complete the restoration process. After restoration, return to the main settings menu. Check to ensure that your memory settings reflect your desired configurations. If necessary, make any final adjustments to the memory settings as per your preferences. Finally, save the changes before exiting the settings menu. Your ChatGPT should now operate with the restored memory settings. You are ready to continue using the application with your customized preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.